to Mandarin, but because I have my car, I'm gonna park my car first at home, and then we go to Mandarin. So I'm following my afam.
Head towards Shorthorn Road. Continue for 29 kilometers.
So happy Valentine's Day. I'm wearing a red scarf. Bilis kaya niya, oh. Iwan na niya ako. So I have to follow him. Doon po siya, oh. With Valentine's, I came here last night. Sana hindi na lang, kasi babalik din pala kami ng London. So it's still hoarfrost here. The trees are all white. So you will take an hour papunta sa bahay. Then another 15 to 20 minutes papunta sa Mandarin. Ganito lang po lagi ang aking video kasi wala namang kaming mapuntahan na iba. Ito lang talaga. It's still winter, so there's not much to do. Unlike nung summer and fall, marami kaming pasyal. But at this time, there's not much. Ayaw din niya ng snow kasi.
Head east on Mill Road West. Continue on County Road 3 for 2 kilometers.
We're now in Brucefield. Dito rin po ako dumaan kagabi. Pero I did not take a video kasi gabi. May mapangit ang ano ng phone ko pag gabi.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Ontario 4 South.
So ifa-follow ko lang siya. Sabi niya ifa-follow niya ako.
Turn right onto Ontario 4
Bagal
South.
kaya. At saka naka-GPS ako, siya hindi naman nag-GPS.
Continue on Ontario 4 South for 27 kilometers.
So ganyan lang, diretso na lang to. I think dadaan ng Hensal, Exeter. Ayan. Maaga to lagi. Pag sinabi niyang I'll be there 12:30, mga 11 nandoon na siya. So ayaw niya nang nalilate. Eh ako naman yung laging sakto lang. Kaya sabi niya, hindi mo alam yung ano, sabi niya, you don't know time orientation. Well, I know, but sakto lang ba? Yan. Ang bilis po niya magpatakbo. Habulin ko siya. Lagi kong bini-video dito sa right side kasi pag ako yung passenger, so dito sa right side ako nagbe-video. Try ko naman ngayon dito sa left side. driver. It's my first time this winter, I think, na mag-drive. Kasi ayaw niya na ako yung nagda-drive pag winter. But I just wanna surprise him last night. I came a little late. Tulog na nga siya nung dumating ako. And Ted was like, he did not even bark. Kaya sabi ko, make sure to lock your door all the time because your dog is not doing his job. I don't know how he knows it was me. So imagine if someone would get in and he doesn't even bark. It's kind of scary. Ang taas na po ng snowbank dito. Yeah, taas siya. Only on the right side though. This morning it's kinda like zero visibility. Okay naman na siya ngayon. And it's -6. When I came last night, it was 0. So it was warmer last night. Tapos lumamig na naman. It's so unpredictable. So ayaw niyang nagdadrive. Ano pa ba ang kwento ko? Wala naman akong masyadong kwento. My birthday will be soon. So we're now in Kibin. Dito siya pinanganak. Si Dennis, well actually London siya pinanganak, but she was raised here sa Kibin. Tapos nabili niya yung farm 1989 I think. Sa Clinton na yun. Grabe po, ilang taon na akong hindi sumahod dito sa YouTube. 45 pa rin hanggang ngayon. But I'm not giving up yet. Not too soon. 51 minutes pa. Malayo-layo po ang one. So this is Hensal now. Hensal. Gusto ko pa sanang mag-music kaya lang lagi akong nakaka-copyright. Pag may music. Oh, tignan niyo po dito. Maano na naman. Ma-foggy. I'll show you. It's foggy. Ito po yung nakakatakot kapag gabi. Yun yung ayaw niya. Yes, love?
Who's this?
Pardon?
Who is it?
It's me.
I heard it.
Yeah, I know. You can hear
Off on
it.
your feet.
Yes, just the left one for now. Because I'm driving.
Okay.
It's foggy. Look at that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. I'm following.
Did you want to stop and get a drink?
Sure. I'll just follow you. Yes. Yes. Yes is
Okay.
the answer. Okay, I'll just follow you.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, bye. So it's my first time na may kadate ako ng Valentine's at my age. I'll be 51 sa 17. So I'm so thankful. Well, I don't need luxurious gifts. I just want to be with him. Maranasan ko man lang yung may kadate pa. I've been into a relationship before. Actually, last year I was dating someone, but wala lang. Nonchalant. So, I want to take this opportunity to feel the love. He gave me a gift. Meron akong share ko sa inyo. Meron siyang biniling diffuser. Meron akong candle. Meron siyang binibilhan ng magandang candle talaga. Wala siyang paraben. At saka soap. So, that's what I got. And we're going for buffet. Our favorite restaurant. Yeah, I'll just order on my side so that they'll give it to me, right?
Yeah, you just order it,
Okay.
and I'll pay for it
Oh, nice.
when I get to the window. Okay, well, fine,
Thank you.
fine.
Thank
You
you.
make it sound like it never happens. Okay.
Well, that's all that.
Oh, oh.
Uh,
So you order, and I'll ask to pay for yours when I get to the.
okay, thank you, love.
What are you getting? Just
Just chai tea.
chai tea.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Well, in case they tell me it's $55,000.
You'll never know.
Okay.
Okay, love.
Bye.
Thank you. Yeah, he always pay for everything. So, minsan ano ba?
Welcome to Tim Hortons. Can I help you?
I'll have chai tea with 2 cream.
What size?
Large, please.
Large tea, 2 cream. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
260. Drive out, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You too.
Turn right onto Main Street North, Ontario 4 South.
Ayan, hindi ko na naman siya makita. Grabe. Grabe po, oh. Hindi siya makita. Clear na dito. This is Lucan. So this is London now. Foggy pa rin. We'll be there in 6 minutes. We are home. Sunny na po dito. Nice and sunny.
Welcome home.
Thank you.